Hi everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish food recipes. Today I want to share a very easy and delicious pasta salad recipe. It is very common to make it when we get together for an afternoon tea. And this photo is one of the table I prepared for my friends. So let's get started. I have a 1 cup cooked peas. I usually keep it in the freezer and cook for these salads. To that I'm adding roasted red bell pepper chopped and also pickles. Red peppers are also from my freezer, which I roasted them in the fall time when it's the season. Of course, depends on your region. You can use canned for these veggies. Next, I'm adding about 1 cup cooked corn. And the last main ingredient, of course, is the pasta. I used ring shaped pasta, we call it in Turkish. It is better if you choose something small, like the same size as the veggies we put in. I cooked them until soft and drain. And these ingredients I choose to put, usually we don't. Red cabbage. It is a 1/4 of a medium-sized one. I thinly sliced and sauteed with some olive oil until soft. It really gave very crunchy and delicious with its color too. I'm just gonna mix them before adding the other ingredients, which is salt to taste, red pepper flakes, some dried mint, and plain yogurt. Let's say about 2 cups. And I added some mayonnaise, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. It really changes, depends on your taste. You can omit the mayonnaise if you don't want to use. After mixing them, I added more yogurt and some mayonnaise. So do as you wish to make a good sauce to cover all the pasta and the vegetables. And my delicious red cabbage pasta salad is ready. To go with it, I made a Turkish börek, poğaça, poppy seed pastry, which is very delicious. They all are. I have the poğaça recipe already shared. I'm gonna add the link in description box and to the top right corner of the video. And of course, we had to have Turkish tea in our table. For the dessert, I made a chocolate cake with cherry sauce. I have the recipe in my Turkish channel. I can give the link. You can get the idea, and maybe if you want, I can share the Turkish translation for the ingredients also. So this is it. Hope you like the salad recipe and try it. Thanks for watching and see you in another Turkish recipe. Afiyet olsun.